Have you ever wondered how you want to make a high-quality, production-ready website without any engineering resources? Don't worry. With our new Marky Agent tool on Easy-Peasy.AI, it can create any kind of website ready-made very easily and quickly. Before we start making stuff, I'm going to need to show you where to find it. So first, let's go into Easy-Peasy.AI, then simply click on Marky Agent right here. So this is going to be your chatbot where you're going to type stuff on. I'm going to be using Claude Obvious 4.6, but you can choose from a variety of different models here. But in this tutorial, we're going to be using Opus 4.6. So first, let's go ahead and start making some basic websites here. There are things like you can make like portfolio websites, business websites, personal ones, artistic websites, professional websites, so yada, yada, yada. But we're going to make a simple personal one. I'm going to start off with, let's say I want to describe, I want to make a personal website for my YouTube channel. We're going to have a link somewhere in the YouTube channel. We're going to link our YouTube channel. We're just going to use our YouTube channel as a example here. We're going to link our YouTube channel here, link the YouTube channel, and put it in the social media section somewhere at the bottom. And there you go. It's simply easy, and just click enter. And we're going to have it run our personal website, make it run a personal website. So it's going, depending on how complex your website is, going to take a while. For something like this, it's probably going to take like a few minutes, but let's give it some time here. So first, it's going to generate our images. But first, it's going to make your code. Obviously, it's going to make your code, but it's also going to generate a bunch of images. So it's going to take some time. I'm going to let it load here. It's now it has created the CSS, which is your design and stuff like that, website design. HTML is the actual code for the website, and now it's uploading your generated images as well. As you can see, it also creates it already created a title for me, Easy Tutorials, Video Tutorials. We can go ahead and like go through the files here. So already created pretty much a lot of the back end files needed to run this website. And here's your CSS, which is your design. You're feel free to like, mess around with it as well. Here is your more code here that it's creating. All right, now it has created our website. Let me launch this in our new tab here. And now it's created a fully functional website for a portfolio. As you can see, even created themes for me. It made some animations as well, and it runs really smooth too, as you can see. It created like a gallery, it created like images and stuff like that. Easy that was, and how high quality the website turned out to be. So let's click the subscribe button. It actually links to our YouTube channel, which is really cool. And like you feel free to like, you can pretty much like add whatever you want, but like that's a pretty basic example too. Now let's move on to the more complex examples. So next up, we're going to make a business website. I'm going to show off some pretty cool stuff here. I'm going to be showing off a product. Let's say I'm making a cookie company. And also, like I said, I've displayed already, I don't have some photos to show, but we can just generate the photos straight from here. Like I said, you can create photos, video, and I'm going to display how you do videos as well here. Let's first off saying that I want to make a website for my bakery that sells a lot of cookies. I'm gonna also showcase the video generating aspect as well. So you can literally just say, I also want to generate a video of baking cookies and have it automatically play on the main page at the top. I also want to have a place to order, a menu, and a working checkout page as well with a cart. I'm going to use an example real quick, so just give me a second. I'm just going to use an example. We're just going to use Crumble. I'm just going to use Crumble cookies as an example here. Google Maps to show the location. And there you go. So this is another example of like how it can pretty much do its thing. It makes sophisticated stuff and stuff. But here we go. We give it some time. We'll let it load. As you can see, it's creating the website here, and it's going to take its time because it has to do a lot of coding. It has to create the front end, back ends. It even makes a logo, as you can see, a GIF. You saw how I was pretty much casually talking to it like it's like a person, and it's able to just create these things for me in just like a couple minutes. And you just have to, you can be as complex as you want as to. I was like, this is like kind of like the simpler, more bare minimum. Imagine what you can do if you like be a bit more descriptive, you tell it to do more things, and it's, you can see like how you could see the endless possibilities with this, essentially. There you go. And it even embedded Google Maps as well. This is here's the location, the crumble cookies that I mentioned here. It literally, you can get directions. I don't think the video loaded, but this one's faster too. You can also order. If you want to order something, you can go ahead and order. It has a full checkout thing. There you go. You get the point. It can make like order page it for your business. If you need like an order page or something like that, it can make that as well. It can show you the location of your business, and it can make like menus and pictures and videos. Like it's a very powerful tool that you can use to make your websites. All right, we're gonna get into the really cool stuff now. This chatbot can even make websites like with AI functionality. So right now, I'm gonna make a productivity AI website where I can tell it to plan my day, have a Pomodoro timer, things have like a to-do list, and make sure to keep me accountable, not to get distracted by giving me some check-ins at some time. I also want to add some streaks and achievements to gamify it, and I want to have some text-to-speech on it as well, so you can probably talk to it. And I'll have some Google login to store my stuff, so save as SSL certificate to make it legit and the thing run. So let's go ahead and start. So I'm gonna just simply describe off that I want to make a productivity website that keeps me from not being distracted and focus on doing my work. So I want to include like a chat bot, so I can talk to it about what I want to get done for the day. You can also want it to have a Pomodoro timer, a to-do list, and to keep me accountable, I want it to make me do check-ins time too. And then that's pretty much it for that. So I'm just gonna hit run here, and this is one of the probably a bigger prompt that some of you guys would want to do. So you want to be able to have detailed prompts and stuff like that. So it's full stack productive LM chatbot. So this one is definitely gonna probably be the longest so far because of how in-depth and complicated this application is going to be, and it's just gonna keep like running and stuff like that. So we'll just let it run. All right, there we go. And there you go. We now have our productivity app here. So it has, I'm going to go over it. So it has your AI coach, your streaks, your Pomodoro. Let's go ahead and try it out. So as you can see, it has the Google login. Let me go ahead and try. Oh, that's not good. But let me go ahead and launch this into a different tab. Let me do this real quick. All right, here's our website here. Let me try continuing with Google here. And that is so quite a few accounts. Let me go ahead and try and use... let me go ahead and use an example account here. So let me do that. as you can see, it logged in with my Google account. It has my Google right here. I'm probably gonna censor my name there, but it came with a theme. It has a coach. It has my Pomodoro timer. It has a short break, a long break. It's literally fully functioning. It even has a design. You can even like design it if you want, but like, let's go ahead and modify this real quick. Let's say, okay, I want to have maybe a calendar, something that I can like plan my day with. So let's go ahead and go back. Let's close this. Add a calendar where I can schedule stuff, and I can talk to the AI to schedule my week or day. So let's go ahead and do that. I can pretty much like add whatever I want on the fly, which is the best part here. Like, if you don't like something, you can just go ahead and just tell it to like add what you want here. But that's how powerful this thing is. So let's go ahead and add a calendar here. So it even tells me what it did. So 3 view modes, add events, color tags, complete, delete, plan my day. So it even tells you the features and stuff. So let's go ahead and try out our new feature here. I'm gonna pull up a new tab here, and there's our calendar right here. So let's go ahead and ask, I have some homework due tomorrow and also a huge essay to do by Saturday. I also want to go to the gym for an hour every 3 days. So let's I need to plan my week. So let's go ahead and plan out a week. So it literally built an LLM from an LLM, which is really cool. And you are free to like add whatever you want. So here you go. It added my tasks here, so you can just add to calendar. It even adds to the calendar. It's literally like a one-stop place for you to do productivity. So this is really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and try. So like if I do this, I got my Pomodoro timer, got to focus. Let's say I want to wash some dishes. So let's do low. I'm gonna add that, wash some dishes. So I got a task to put right here, and maybe I can write a paragraph for my essay. So let's go ahead and do that. It'll add to the task here, and then once I complete it, I got an achievement as well. So it also added the achievement aspect here and the streaks as well. It shows on here my achievements: getting things done, Taskmaster, 10 Pomodoros, 1 day Pomodoro. So that's how you create anything from a basic website to a more advanced website with like AI capabilities and like front and back end type of thing. So feel free to have fun with this. Come to their website in the link down below, Easy-Peasy.AI.com. But yeah, thanks for watching this tutorial. I'm gonna wrap things up here pretty much. Thanks for watching this video. If you do want to see more content like this in our channel, click the subscribe button and hit that bell, as we have a bunch of AI tutorials you can learn. So yeah, there's also some check-ins, by the way. But yeah, there's a bunch of AI tutorials you can learn. Check out our website, Easy-Peasy.AI. Easy-Peasy.AI down below to start making websites today. That's going to be it today. Thanks for watching, and peace out.